It has been a long time since we had a MacBook video. So today I am bringing you the new white MacBook that I have purchased. So while it does look pretty much exactly the same as the last one, I mean they all look identical anyway, but this is unique in that it is a Core Duo MacBook. Not a Core 2 Duo, they were the later ones. This is the original early 2006 Core Duo one, which means it's very rare, which means I can't destroy it if I get too angry with it. It, of course, being an A1181, has absolutely no battery whatsoever, even though it's installed. None of them do anymore, which is a bit annoying. But today I want to do something very simple, and something that I hope will actually work. For the last MacBook we tried Vista. Now, clearly that was too big of a challenge for one of these things. I don't know why. It overheated and it died, and then it came back, and then I don't know. I don't even know what was going on with that laptop. So instead, we're going to be going for something a little bit more beautiful. Oh yes, I found a sealed-ish copy of Windows XP version 2002. Here we go. So I'm going to quickly open this definitely brand new sealed copy. Let's have a look at the war. Yes, it is Home Edition. I wasn't able to get Pro, but that's fine. I don't have a product key for Pro. I do have a product key for Home, which didn't come with this. It's part of another laptop that I'll get into in a minute. And then, of course, we've got our beautiful Windows XP Home Edition. Oh yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. That is actually beautiful. I can't believe how beautiful this is. Like, oh no, oh, hello. It is absolutely gorgeous. Imagine they make discs like this nowadays. That would be amazing. We will we'll keep that nice and safe for now, just kind of storing it, not in its case. That's fine. We've got our Windows XP Home Edition booklet. Let's have a little look. Oh, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Kim? Whoever Kim is, I don't know who Kim is. I should say Bill. See, it's even got the welcome font that it says on the home screen. I wonder if it has system requirements in here. It's a certificate of authenticity. I'm going to pass on that. This is authentic though. You can, I mean, I hope you can see that it's authentic. Well, that was not insightful whatsoever. It just kind of has a picture of the desktop and then it just goes straight onto this. Let's see if this actually works this time. But we are not just going to be doing this on any old MacBook. We're going to be doing this on an old MacBook with a Kingston SSD. Yep, we got one, and it's a 120 gig model.
A Core i7 hexa-core CPU. Yeah, we've got one, and it's an 8th generation. Wow!
So obviously we've got to install the SSD first, so let's just kind of turn this thing over. I don't know why that was so not heavy. Okay, we've got our massive screwdriver kit here. We'll use our beautiful screw. Ah, there we go. So yeah, this is the absolutely useless MacBook battery. The only reason I'm keeping it in there is because it looks better like this, and it adds a bit of weight, so you know it feels a bit hefty, which I do like with an old MacBook. I don't lie. So we'll get these screws out of here, and we should be able to get this installed with no issues. Now I have tested this MacBook as well. It does definitely work. It's not completely brand new to me. I have had it for like a few months. We're going to pull out our existing hard drive, Toshiba 60 gig. Wow, we are talking huge capacities here. Get rid of that. We don't want that. We want this, but we want to put it in there because, in case you're not aware, if you put this in and you put it all the way in, you can't really pull it out again very easily. So we're going to have to put it in the little caddy thing. Ta-da! It is all in there. So we should just be able to kind of shove it in there. Ignore the fingerprints. That kind of happens. And then it's in. It's in. Beautiful. Now we can screw our little flimsy cover back on, and we should be good to go. I mean, this would be a lot faster kind of anyway, just even on Mac OS. But we're installing Windows XP, you know. It's going to be crazy. The difference is going to be crazy. Okay, so we've got our SSD in here. I don't know why the palm rest is so greasy. That definitely wasn't me. We've got our SSD installed. We've got our Windows XP disk. We just need a way to power this thing on. So it's going to be old Apple Power Brick to the rescue. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. It usually decides to power itself on. Yep, okay. Hold that. And hope it works. What is this? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh! Ho, 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 ho. We are already so far ahead of the other MacBook, it's not even funny. Please go blue. Please go blue, or just like show me a Windows related thing. Oh! Just when I was almost giving up hope. Go blue, go blue. Come on, screen, go blue, go blue. Uh-oh. Yes! Okay, okay. Woo! Okay. The only thing we need to worry about now, well, the only things we need to worry about now are obviously whether it even detects the drive, whether it can format the drive, and whether Windows will actually install on the drive. And if all those three things happen, we're good. We're good. It should just work. I'm just hoping it does. Well, that's annoying. Okay, plan of action is going to be eject this. Oh, hello. Right, we're gonna turn this off. We're gonna try plan B. And I actually don't know what plan B is. Okay, I didn't even press eject that time. That was weird. Right, we'll pull that out for now. Is there any... There's like nothing on the disc. That's a bit weird. I do have a plan B. Okay, my plan B has kind of failed, but we're going to try it. We're going to try it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And then we'll switch to plan C, which is going to be crazy if that works. But anyway, we're going to shove this in. This is our plan B. XP has failed. I thought I had another XP disc, but apparently I don't, which is a bit disappointing because now I have genuinely no idea what to do. So we're just going to try it Vista. Why not? Just spat it out. Just spat it out. Right. Okay. Plan C then. Plan C. Right. This disc didn't work on 2 MacBooks, so it can go in the bin. Get in the bin. Right. Sorted. Right. So Vista didn't show up, but Windows 2000 did. Okay. Let's see what this does. Now it might just blue screen because it freaks out because it doesn't recognize the architecture. Or it might also work. It's just kind of stuck on this screen and it doesn't usually stay stuck for this long. Do something! Move! Change! Give me something! I'm running out of discs, people. I'm literally running out of discs. Don't have another XP disc to try. I shall use the power of the EMF reader. Okay, that was weird. After a lot, and I mean a lot of digging, I found the other XP disc. So we're going to use that, and hopefully this works. But the problem is, I don't have a product key, which is going to be a bit of an issue. I'm holding down C because it spat this new disc out a second ago. So I'm just going to hold C and hopefully it works. Come on, give it a go. You silly Billy. This is annoying. Oh, don't you give me the flashing fold. This is it. Windows 7 starter. I could not think of a more boring operating system, but we're gonna get Windows on this. This is the last straw. We don't have anything else to throw at this thing. My luck is not very good with these white MacBooks, actually, but I can't smash this one as much as I want to. It's a Core Duo. It's an older one. It's harder to find. They're rare-ish. I mean, they're still pretty easy to find, but they're rare-ish. Just kind of making noises, if I'm being honest. It's not really cooperating. I've tried 2000. I've tried another XP. Another XP. And you got these empty nothing's worked. Nothing's worked. What's going on? I have an idea. I do have an idea, but I won't be able to do it in this video. So, my idea is Firewire. Bish bash bosh, plug that in, no problem at all. Maybe the old $12 iMac or something like that. We use that disk drive in target disk mode and use it on... Oh, well, screw you then. Thanks for that. I'm just trying to do the outro. And you're giving me the flashing folder. You know what? You know what? Get away. No, go away. Yeet. Okay, so my next idea, this is going to become a little journey. This is going to become a series, I reckon, of just everything going wrong. We're going to make it into an official series. So we're going to try plugging it in via Firewire to the iMac, using target disk mode, and then using that disk drive to try the XP disk, because it only failed because of like one file, and I wonder if it was to do with the disk drive in the Mac. So we're going to do that, and we're going to see what happens. In a different case, we might be able to get XP to install on the iMac, which would be good because we can literally clone that to the MacBook, or we can install it on an external drive. It's going to work. It will work. I'll get something to work. We're going to get XP working because this is ridiculous. This is like, you know, this is the amount of stuff I used and none of it works. So it's definitely going to be a problem with the MacBook, I reckon. So we will head back to this in another video, and this is going to become a little series. So anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching this one. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the new white MacBook content. There is going to be a lot more videos coming on this where we try to install various stuff and mostly just experiment and probably get annoyed mostly in the process. So thank you guys very much for watching this one, and I will see you in a future video.